family abandoned me. They don't want to get on this wet ride. So, there we are.
Hold on to the handrail.
This is going to be scary.
Hello, how many?
One.
One, all right.
That would be awesome if I can get it all by myself and I can
Yes, you
scream
can.
and yell and be scared and all that stuff.
Oh, you got it, sir, right there. Just make sure you don't extend the GoPro.
I will not extend
You
it.
got it, man, right over there.
All right, guys. Thank you. All right. Where's the wettest part? Right here. All right. Oh, I'm already wet. It's already wet, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't going to be a dry ride. It's not going to be a dry ride, right? I'm only the only person here. What's the chances of me getting wet?
Right, statistically speaking.
You're lying. You know that the weight will push me into the water. You know it. You heard it there, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to get really, really wet because we're the only ones in the ride. Here we go. Oh boy. I have a funny feeling that this is going to be a wet one. What's coming up behind me? What's coming up? Okay, good. Good, okay. That's good. Oh! No. All right, there's Bluto. There we go, Bluto. Let's go. Oh, that was Olive. Or Olive. Oh. Good. Oh, big water. Oh, my butt just got soaked. I just peed my pistol. Oh! Okay. Hey, can we get away with not getting this? Oh, this would be awesome if we don't get this. No, I don't want to get this wet. I don't want to get this wet. No. Yeah, we didn't get that. Oh, that was lucky. That was very lucky. Whoa. That was one of my scariest things I didn't want to get. Oh, hey, no doing that. We got shot from above. Where are we going now? All right. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Let's get again. Oh, that was close. Oh, no, not a cannon. Not the cannon. Okay, phew. Uh-oh. There's Popeye. Hi, Popeye. Hi, Popeye. I think we're going backwards. Olive. Help the Olive. Behind me. What's going on behind me? What?
You don't think you're old.
They're about to get really wet.
Right off the portal. Carnival Frozen Portal.
Oh no, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet. Why? Oh, I don't like this. No. How did we get away from that? Hang on, I'll see if I clean your lenses. All right, what's gonna happen now? stopping here. Hey, give me some spinach. I need some spinach. I need some spinach. No, no, oh no, oh no, oh no. We are flying now. Oh, 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 oh. I almost got away with not being soaked. Almost. No, that's a wetty. Sweetie, don't warn me.
Popeye the sailor.
Olive, don't do it, Olive. Olive, why? Well, there you go. A 360 view on a really wet ride.
Please remain seated.
I'm so glad you were here to witness it. It's terribleness of a ride. All right. Bye. Bye. They're crazy people. Why did I do this? I don't know. But you were here to see it. It's your fault, not mine. They lied to me.
Did we forget to turn off the water?
Yeah, kinda. They said I wasn't gonna. Well, they lied. How do I get out of here? No, don't get there. Don't get there. Ta-da! She's magic, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. She controlled it and everything. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh, it's slippery when wet. Very slippery when I'm wet. What? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see more of these guys.
Bye.